Now we will discuss some details about skeleton. Our body is built with the help of bones. Bones give us shape and support to the body. Not only that, it protect and contain the body's delicate vital organs. More than that, it helps us to move from one place to other place. Actually, bones are made up of living tissue composed of special cells which secrete around themselves hard materials rich in calcium salts. We can understand in baby's body there will be 270 bones. Actually, child bones are very soft and cartilaginous. Cartilage is gristle, the elastic substance of ear and nose. Bone making or ossification is a gradual process. It will not in a hurry way. Gradually it will improve. For adults, we know well 206 bones are there. Some bones grow together as we get older. In all bones, in the middle part, cavity is there. The cavity is filled with a yellow or red fatty substance called bone marrow, the blood making factory of the body. It also helps bones to be light without reducing the strength of the structure. It is light and it is not reducing the strength. The basic part of our skeleton is the spine, which has 33 bones or vertebrae. The spine carries the weight of the body. Due to spine only, we can easily move from one place to other. If any damage happen to spine, we can't walk. Very difficult, very pathetic situation. So we should protect our brain and spine for happy living. For extremely flexible, it is very flexible and contains and protects the delicate spinal cord. The skull in our head, it protects the brain. The lungs and heart are protected by ribs. Bones fit together at the joints and held firm by way of ligaments, which are made by tough tissue like cords or straps. Inside each joint, thin membranous bag which secretes lubricants to make the joint move smoothly. Due to that lubricant only, we are not getting any pain in our joints. Some glide on one another as the lower jaw slides on the upper. Some, such as the elbow and the knee, hinge on each other and others. See, hip make a ball and socket joints. Bones are sometimes fused together and immovable, as in the 5 large lower vertebrae called sacrum. So we now studied about our skeleton. Now I wish to tell about the importance of hand cleaning, hygiene for happy life. We should wash our hands before meals to protect ourselves from infections. So that in the COVID period also, many ad came. Please wash your hands with soap, because we are touching many places. Our hand is touching wall or any places. The world is full of germs, microorganisms, microbes. These will transfer to our food, and through food it will go to our stomach. Some germs are very helpful, some will not make any difficulty. Few germs are very danger. So it will make us very difficult due to some fever or like difficulties. So when we want to live peaceful way, healthy body is required. Due to the organic material, the germs will multiply manyfold. So it is wise to remove as many as possible before coming into our contact with the food. So it is very good practice to wash our hands frequently, at least before eating. Most of the germs generally harmless. Few are beneficial also, but some germs are pathogenic, disease producing, invade the body and live by feeding of body tissues. Bacteria, you please take. Single-celled organism. What will happen? Which causes diseases such as diphtheria, cholera, leprosy, whooping cough, typhoid fever, tetanus and scarlet fever, etc. Virus also very small. Scientists can found it through the very powerful, immensely powerful microscopes. Yet they are responsible for enormous range of human diseases, from cold to rabies. The hospitals, you can see when you visit, they keep it very neat and clean. Antisepsis and asepsis are used to maintain standard of hygiene. Antisepsis aims to destroy germs already if there is present by applying chemicals. Asepsis keep germs away from the wounds through the sterilization of surgeons' hand gloves, instruments, dressings, etc. Or everything we kept. There is a chance, possible source of any infection. So everything will be kept very neat. The antiseptic system was introduced by Lord Lister, 1827 to 1912, who worked on the discoveries of the French scientist Louis Pasteur, 1822 to 1895. First he used carbolic acid, which is very strong and damage to the tissue. Then many discoveries are found. The super better disinfectants are discovered. The method of asepsis began with the sterilization of instruments by superheated steam. Once upon a time, doctors, before doing injection, they sterilize the injection needle in hot water. Nowadays, only nurses are doing injection to patients. Penicillin is a very big, it is a very great medicine discovered. It is very useful to control germs and very less difficult. So today we see some basic things in body, how to keep hygiene our life. We will continue this day by day. Thank you, Ramesh.